Spread out your tent on a flat area free of debris that might damage your tent floor. Loosely stake out the four corners. These will be adjusted later. Carefully assemble the poles. Make sure not to allow the ends to snap into each other. This could damage your tent poles. For the invasion tent, there are 3 sets of poles. Start at the rear of the tent. Insert the pole tip into the grommet. Now, attach the other end of this pole to the socket above the tent door. Listen for a snap to make sure you have locked it in place. Next, attach the rear crossing pole. Then, take one of the remaining poles and attach it to the front of the tent. Attach the last pole to the midpoint of the tent. To help increase stability, make sure both poles snap into the locking cam. Next, attach the canopy to the poles using the clips. And tighten the corner stake points. Then, finish up by staking out the vestibule.